You're asking, how can I use social media to sell more homes? Is it even possible? Watch this video, I'll share my thoughts with you. Thank you so much for being here. For more tips on how to grow your real estate business through the power of technology, then click on that subscribe button below and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Wednesday. For years I've been using social media. It's helped me to grow my business, and because of it I have people contacting me because of what I put on my social media and want to do business with me. Let me show you how. So I know what you're asking. I get the question all the time. Okay, I'll go on social media. I'm on social media. What the heck do I post? I post a lot of things. It doesn't seem to be sticking. Nothing's working. I get it. I've heard it. It can be frustrating. The thing with social media that I tell a lot is it does take time. You need to post frequently. You need to post consistently, and it's all about building your brand before eventually you get the following and people start to know who you are and want to deal with you. If you keep posting about houses all the time, or we've talked about this with Photo Guy who's behind the lens. Yeah, you can't see him. We say stop, there he is, stop posting generic stuff. A lot of realtors just take these automated postings, maybe it's quotes or just a stock photo, and it gets posted to their Facebook all the time or their Instagram, wherever it may be. A lot of people that are on social media see that as actually, call it lazy, that you didn't put in the time to actually think out a post and that you just let it auto post for you. You need to be building a brand. You need to let people know who you are. There has to be a face behind your social media. If you just let it auto post, there's no life there. There's no character. You need to let the platform know who you are. So start posting about your day-to-day life, your family, even as silly as it sounds, what you're eating. People will start to connect with like-minded people. So if they see you're posting and they have a similar interest, they're going to start connecting with you and start following you. So the more you can do that, and then aside from that, start giving your audience good, valuable information. Get out there and post about, I like to do collaborations with other businesses. Those work the best because they share your posts as well. So you could go out to a retail store and talk about them. Maybe it's locally owned. Go to a restaurant and do a restaurant review. Go to different schools. Why would somebody's kid want to go to this school? Interview them. Go to different communities. Why would somebody want to live in this community where this house is? Do a profile on it with all the schools and the parks in there. Basically be the digital mayor of your community and put out information that people will want to see and want to know about, and you will grow and you will start to see yourself win on social media. After you be consistent with it and you put in the time, it will work. But you got to stop being so generic and stop just posting about every house you have for sale or every open house you're going to be doing. People get tired of that and they don't want to see that all the time. What is something you wish you knew more about social media and your real estate business? Comment below and let me know. Again, I'm going to reiterate this. I know I spoke about it before, but you have to be consistent. I speak to a lot of realtors throughout North America, and the biggest thing that I hear is I tried this for a bit and it just didn't work. I gave up because it doesn't work. So then I'll kind of ask them a few questions and see how it went, what they did. And for a majority of them, I find that they posted for maybe a month. That's maybe stretching it. Most of them would be for a couple weeks, and they say they didn't get any results, so they gave up. I can tell you, you do it for that long, and yes, guaranteed it will not work. If you are looking for a quick success with this, some do get lucky. There's the odd one where maybe somebody sees something out of the blue and they contact that person. But for a majority of us, this takes a long time. I have had my social media channels for years, and for some of them, they're just finally gaining traction now. And that's with consistent posting, like all the time. So you have to do the same. You have to keep consistently posting. Do not give up. You give up and it just all falls apart, and everything you did for that month, yeah, you might as well have not even, I'm sorry, started or tried, because that was just maybe a waste of your time if you're gonna give up anyway. So anything you do create, I know it can seem really difficult and you wonder, why am I doing this? Nothing's happening, this is a waste. You gotta look at the end goal. You gotta just keep posting, and eventually, trust me, maybe it's months down the road, maybe it's years. Eventually you'll grow a following, people will start to know you. If you're doing the proper things and you're building a brand, you're gonna get to be known within your community. And when you have that proper branding behind your social media channel, people are going to be attracted to you and want to follow you and eventually want to buy or sell through you because they just keep seeing you all the dang time, whether it be on one channel or multiple channels. So just keep at it, put in the time, make a game plan it out for the next year or two, and really just have fun with it. Be yourself. So there you have it. Now you know you need to be on social media. You need to keep posting on social media to grow your social media, but you're wondering what are some ideas I could do on my social media. I know we touched on some in this video, but if you're wanting kind of a guide to go by, you're gonna wanna click on the link in my description below. In there, I have a free PDF and it's a bunch of video marketing ideas that have 10 times my social media leads. And when you're done here, don't forget to watch my prior videos that I've done on social media. And please, if this was beneficial, subscribe, give me a like, and share with your fellow realtor friends. Bye.